Useful phrases. Sentences in English. I like. I don't like. I like pizza. I don't like pizza. I like fish. I don't like fish. I like swimming. I don't like swimming. I like Italian food. I don't like Italian food. I like bananas. I don't like bananas. I like broccoli. I don't like broccoli. I like reading books. I don't like reading books. I like chocolate. I don't like chocolate. I like burger. I don't like burger. I like vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I like cake. I don't like cake. I like fruits. I don't like fruits. I like tea. I don't like tea. I like her. I don't like her. I like beach. I don't like beach. I like soup. I don't like soup. I like music. I don't like music. I like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. I like dancing. I don't like dancing. I like taking photos. I don't like taking photos. I like to play guitar. I don't like to play guitar. I like to watch movies. I don't like to watch movies. I like popcorn. I don't like popcorn. I like art. I don't like art.